better.
Yeah, I think so. I just wish I could go.
Yep. So, nice day for shooting, boys. Very nice day. At least 15 feet. Wow, you look like a kid. February 17th. Managed to pick up a contract in Lebanon, of all places. Really pumped about this one. Always excited to see somewhere new, and to get paid for is even better. Stop by for a quick sunset view. A hard one to beat. Once I get back from Lebanon, it's a couple more contracts and back into renovating Gertie out. Nothing's changed since last season, so looking forward to getting back to work on that.
This city for a place where I can keep the pressure down. Got to save some face. Tired of pleasing all the players when they wind up in the chase. Got to be a place where my shoulders won't be burning by the burning of the race. I'm waiting on the summer. I'll take you there.
This thing was built in 1327.
Go and build your tribe and let them decide where they're willing, what the rules are. Just swallow your pride. Take a look inside and let them prescribe. I'm a doctor, it's your weakness that you're seeking, you will find.
Lebanon has been amazing. I thought it was going to be scary at first, but it's just like home. People are awesome. Food's amazing. Not regretting this trip at all.
10-minute hike to the giant waterfall. It's so big!
So impressed!
Ah! Got caught in the high tide. Worth it.
So it's coming up to about a year since I've had this van now. Right now I'm working on these lights. These guys are what came stock with it. What I'm gonna do is take these off and put these in. USB, lamp, bingo, reading lights. What I've also done is installed LED lights all through the van, which I am pumped on. I love these things. I'm gonna show you how I did these guys. That's that, man. USB and LED lights. Pretty quick and easy and dirty.